In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product collection on Shopify. A collection is simply a curated group of products that makes it easier for customers to browse your store. Think new arrivals, best sellers, or summer sale. Today, we'll build a manual collection where you handpick the items that appear in it. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, open Products. This is your central hub for everything related to what you sell. Inside Products, select Collections. This page shows any collections you already have and is where you'll create new ones. Click Add Collection to start fresh. You'll land on a setup page. Give your collection a clear, descriptive title, something that matches how shoppers think, like cozy hoodies or gifts under $50. A good title helps with both organization and search. If you like, you can add a short description to explain what's inside the collection. Keep it customer-friendly and concise. This can also support your store's SEO. Next, it's time to add products. Click Browse to open the product picker. Here you can search by name, use filters, or scroll through your catalog. Select the products you want to include. Be intentional. Choose items that belong together so the collection feels cohesive. When you're done selecting, click Add to confirm your choices. Back on the collection page, you'll now see the products you picked listed out. This is a great moment to double-check the lineup. If you spot anything that doesn't fit, you can remove it. You can also refine the order later to highlight best sellers or seasonal priorities. Consistency matters. Group similar price ranges, styles, or uses to make it easy for customers to decide. When everything looks good, click Save. Saving publishes the collection to your admin so it's ready to use across your store. If you don't see your collection right away on your storefront, that's normal. You'll typically feature it in your theme or link it in your navigation after this. The key step here is that it's now created and ready to be showcased. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Choose a title that matches common customer searches. Review product photos for consistency so your collection grid looks polished. And revisit your collections periodically to keep them fresh and relevant. And that's it. Your new product collection is set up and saved. Thanks for watching, and happy merchandising.